Aloha, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Hit this one to open. You have to use your passwords. Your account is already detect different account of mine. After putting my password, I continue to my account. Allow, not now. Here we go. So we are inside the Instagram. Lovely. So here you have different buttons. Click here, you can see your profile and all the video that I have. You can see here the Instagram video. So you have to have account. Here you have a plus button, you click this one. You can make a reel here. You can see hit reel, so you can allow access to all the content. Continue. If you have any videos, anything you want to put them as a reel, you can do this. Here also photo, if you want a photo, you see beautiful sky photo. I hit next button. You see the photo, hit next button. Okay, share. Also share in Facebook. If you want, you can share with the Facebook. In this case, I don't want to share the same thing at my Facebook. Here the my post you can see. So you click this button. Okay, post, you see at the bottom, it can appear different way. Now post, story, reel, hit reel here. Choose a video. Here I choose this video. Tap this one at the corner, you have to tap. Hit next button. Hit next one more time. Next button. You see share. Hit this one, share. It's done. You see it's loading here. It's done. I go to my all the option. You see I have photo, I have reel. I click this one to see. Done. Lovely. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.